Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 2x2 out of your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. At the end, it's going to look something like this. It is going to be a lot like the spider cube that I'm going to show you how to do later in the series. But this is my first video in the series. Let's get right into it. Alright, so here I've got my 3x3. This is the only thing you'll need to complete this. Alright, so the first step here is take one edge out of your cube. Alright, so with this, now after you take that edge apart, pull this apart, like the two pieces apart on it. I'm sorry, but if you have a Rubik's brand, I'm not sure this will work. Alright, so we got these. Put these back together after taking this middle piece out of it, right? Alright, so put these two back together, and then you got this middle piece. So, and then once you have this middle piece, just take it and insert it back into the cube. Just like that. Oh my gosh. It's giving me trouble. Oh yeah, also, this is very simple. Alright, so I'll show you again. You take this out. Open this edge up, pull this piece out of it, set that aside, take this, like put these back together without the middle part in it, set these aside, take this again, and insert it into your cube. Just like that. Alright, so you should do that to the rest of your cube, and once you have that done, I'll give you the next step. Alright. So once you have it like that, and what you're going to do, so this is actually the spider cube, but you can stop here if you want. This isn't my official spider cube video. I'm still going to make a spider cube video. So you can stop here if you want, but we still need to get to here. This is not here. This is still a 3x3. It still has its centers. 2x2, you don't have centers. So literally what you do after that is you take this off the sticker and put it aside on all of them. So just take it off of all of them. You might need to pry a little bit, but just use your fingernails just like this, and then it'll pop right off, usually. And then bam, you have your 2x2 made out of a 3x3. You can scramble it up and try it a few times. I know the finger tricks and stuff aren't the best, but hey, it's a 2x2 made out of a 3x3. So if you want to know how to solve 2x2, but you don't have one, this is the perfect video. Alright, but I'm just going to do a quick solve real quick on it. So, alright, I'm scrambling it. I don't want to do it on this. Oh, let me. Alright, yeah, this one feels better as a 2x2. Alright, so scrambling it. Alright, I'm going to inspect. Sorry about that. Alright, so now I'm going to, alright. Yeah, it also does that if you try to speak Cuban. But thank you for watching this video. It was fun to make, and remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.